In today's digital world, SEO, it is one of the main success factors in online business. However, having a deep understanding of SEO analysis tips and tricks can make a significant difference in the success of a website. In this Persian web video, we are going to point out some aspects of SEO analysis that may be overlooked or not fully considered in common educational sources. These important tips can help your website improve in search engine rankings, including Google, and significantly improve traffic. Join us to look at some points from new angles in the complex world of SEO and achieve a significant improvement in website performance. Top free 5 sites for site SEO analysis. Number 1. WooRank. It can be said that one of the best SEO analysis sites is WooRank. This website allows you to check the internal and external SEO of the website. If you want to get a full report on your website's SEO in the shortest possible time, you can register on this site and use it for free for 7 days and use it to improve your website's SEO. It should be noted that after 7 days you have to purchase a subscription to use the features of this website. Number 2. Seeability. In order to be able to use this site to analyze your website, you need to register for free first and then its capabilities will be provided. By the site seeability, you can check all the pages of a site, and if there are problems and errors, it will report to you. It also reports to you if a part of your website needs to be improved or if there is duplicate content on different pages. Number 3. SEO Site Checkup. This SEO analysis site offers you many possibilities, and you can take advantage of its possibilities by providing your website domain. You can know the strengths and weaknesses of your site or even compare it with other websites. Some of the features of SEO Site Checkup offers as follows. Check site speed using key factors, such as site cache, links, or checking CSS and HTML files. As you know, meta tags are very important in SEO review. Using this website provides good information about meta tags, alt images, headers, etc. It shows the status of indexed links, and some of your links are blocked by Google robots. Number 4. Website Grader. Many features of this site are completely free. Some of the features it provides are: checking the responsiveness of the website. Is checked using SS. It checks the loading speed of the website, for example, the loading speed of images, and the score of your website will be displayed graphically, which will make the website better understood. Number 5. SEO. By using this tool, you will not need any other website. You can compare the SEO status of your website with competitors and improve it after understanding the weak points of your website using the solutions provided by this website. The facilities that this site provides you are: checking the meta description and index status of site links, analysis of website user experience and website responsiveness, ensure correctness of HTML tags, analyze your images and content. Conclusion: SEO is a complex process that requires specialized knowledge. For your site's SEO, you must constantly strive and use valid analysis tools so that you can find the right strategy for your site.